Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other, and today we're going to be looking at on how to download games on Steam. So first, if you want to buy games on Steam, you can obviously buy them. As you can see, CSGO, Prime Status Upgrade costs money, Rebirth of Isaac costs money, even GTA 5 costs money. Now, we're not gonna spend money today. We're gonna go for something free to play. Now, this is the best thing about Steam. It does have a lot of free to play games. For example, you can play Destiny 2. This is a AAA title and it's free to play. But if you want to experience the entire Destiny 2, you will have to buy the DLCs, as the DLCs make the game more fun to play. You can download VR Chat, Aim Labs, Halo Infinite. It's free to play. Good game. If you've been a long fan of the Halo franchise, you're gonna be happy to know that the multiplayer version of Halo Infinite is free to play. So now we can select the game that we want. Let's not go for something too big. We're just gonna go for something, I'm not really sure. Maybe we can go with something from multiplayer. Actually, I have an idea. We can go into this. From here, we can select one of these categories. As you can see, it's free to play, massively multiplayer, and all that. So we're gonna go here and we're gonna press on massively multiplayer. Once we press on massively multiplayer, all the games over here that we see are now massively multiplayer, as in the multiplayer base is very huge. From here, let us download a game. I have no idea what to download. Let us scroll for a bit. You wouldn't think choosing a game is that hard, but sometimes when you're in a corner and you have to choose only one game, it is quite hard. Let's go to multiplayer. We don't need massively multiplayer, and let's select something that we can play. Oh, how about this? Phantasy Star Online 2 Genesis. Now this is quite the... I don't want to say the word, but weeb game. But as you can see, it seems quite fun. You can create your characters, you go on adventures, kill stuff. I mean, why not? So after that, once you select your game, you're gonna press on play game. Once you press on that, it's gonna upload a ticket. That's the size, and then you just wanna press next. And then you wanna press on I agree. Once you do that, it's gonna create local game files, and once that's done creating, we're just gonna wait for that to be created. It's gonna take some time, as it's... Wait, existing files? When did I play this game? I have no idea. Wow. Well, it's now going to be allocating some disk space for us so that the game can rest inside that space, and after that's done, as you can see, the game's gonna download, and once the download's finished, all you have to do is go to your library, press on the name, and, well, I've got Apex, so press on play. That's gonna be it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.